Hey guys, Rob Campo here. Today with the bonus video. Now, my friend, out of the blue, gave me this, so I guess it's going to be an unboxing. This was totally 100% unsolicited, and I have no idea what it is. And this is it. Yep. He says it's a puzzle box and I'll need tools to open it. But looks like it's duct tape, electrical tape, zip ties, and this kind of seems inappropriate, but I don't know how inappropriate it is for YouTube, but I hope this isn't a meme or something that means something totally awful, because that would be horrible. But he assured me that this wasn't going to go kaboom in my face. I know I'm not allowed to use a particular word on YouTube, but he assured me, and if it does go kaboom, he won't be able to get any of my shinies on Pokemon Go. Just in case, I'm just going to have this on standby. It's about the size of a brick. Has something solid in it, if you can hear it on the microphone. Let's see how much it weighs. It weighs 9.5 ounces. I don't know if you can see that on the screen, but I can see it. 9.5 ounces. So, what I'm going to do is try to open this in the least destructive way as possible. It looks like first I have to get off these zip ties. And let's see if I can just wiggle it off. This is definitely, as you can see by the indents, this is probably cardboard. It's probably not plastic, but see if I can just slide it off. Ooh, and I can. Success. Let's try this one. Ooh, this one's a little tighter. That's going to be a problem. Well, guess I can just... we'll just cut this one. If I can with regular scissors. I don't know if these are the zip ties that people use as handcuffs. Oh. Those are off. Now it looks like the tape starts here. And I guess, unfortunately, it's going to ruin this lovely image. I mean, I could cut into it, but what's the fun in that? Oh, now it's pulling off part of this other tape. Alright. I've never seen this type of... It looks like it has the consistency of electrical tape, but it's duct tape size. Gonna have to ask him where he got that. Next, we have this end. There's some on top. So, I guess I'm gonna have to pull this blow off. And let's see if there's a start. Oh, start right here. Man, he must have had a lot of time on his hands. Okay. No. This side. Looks like there's some that starts up here. wonder if he used a whole roll of duct tape on this. Should just expand it and see how far it goes. There's this piece. I'll zoom you guys out a bit. Let's see what's next. Nope. Right here. Sorry about that, I bumped the mic. And not in a cool Beastie Boys way of bumping the mic. More duct tape. Probably half a roll. Starting to get into some cardboard. Looks like maybe the stuff checks come in. One of those things. Still more to go. But there is light at the end of this tunnel. I hope it's not alive, because it's probably dead now. Gonna be dead or pissed off. It's a Moto E. Maybe it's a cell phone. Could he be getting me a cell phone? Oh, starting to rip off some of the label. Oh my god, look at that. Look at that. It's stuck on me. We're down to a box. It's a Motorola Moto E. Now, before, it looks like I'm done with that. So, I'm going to show you guys all the tape that was used. Plus 2 zip ties. Alright. I have no idea what's in here. It's a fruit pie. Okay. A Drake fruit pie. Okay, another bastion of appropriateness. And it's kind of cryptid. It's under the passenger seat. So this was like kind of a total waste of time. Son's fruit pie. I'm back after going under the passenger seat of my truck. It's a baggie with some great value pulled pork. So, more things to consider. Rubber band. It's in barbecue sauce. Feels very mushy. Now, what in the hell is this? I left this in my truck overnight too. I'm glad no critters found their way into it and found a feast out of this. Well, this is packed nicely. Packed so. There's enough foil here to fake the moon landing again. Alright, zooming out. Oh no, so it's zoomed out further as it can go. Maybe is it bread? Is it bread? It feels soft. Oh, it's not food. It's some sort of... Alright. Another bag. It looks like a t-shirt of some sort. Now it's making my voice echo all this aluminum. So... this is all the aluminum. It's thick foil, too. It's not like the stuff that you find at the grocery store. Alright. Keep in mind, we really have to recycle that stuff because we're running out of it to mine in ores. So, if you have aluminum stuff, recycle it. It can be 1-for-1 recycled, which means it can be 100% reused. Now, on to what this looks like. I guess I can put this away. This is a t-shirt of some kind. Oh my god. It's promoting another channel. How rude. But seriously, you should go follow these people. They're fun. Modern Rogue on YouTube. Well, thank you, Luke. I will definitely cherish this. Looks like it's a barbecue sauce, maybe? Maybe Jack Daniels or something. It's cool. Now I'm part of the Rogue Nation. Awesome. Well, there's this. And a cherry pie. Well, maybe I'll review these on my Instagram. Every now and then I do food reviews on Instagram. My handle is TheRobCampo, TheRobCampo. I will put it in the description for any of you those that are interested rather. And I post other things I find cool on there. So give me a follow if you want. Thanks, Luke, for this fine but albeit awkward gift. I appreciate it. And I will text you when this goes online. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.